What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today, I'm going to dive into 3 reasons why you should buy the OnePlus 7 Pro in 2021. This has been by far one of my favorite phones, not just of 2019 or 2020 or of old time, okay? Just of old time. Oh, by the way, I'd really appreciate if you can smash that subscribe button, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on the bell notifications, as it does help out the YouTube channel a lot and will push my content out to more people, and so we can get to our next goal of 10,000 subscribers. Seriously, for everyone who watches my videos and everyone who supports, thank you so much. Anyway, let's dive right in. For me, the most important thing is display. And honestly, it should be for everyone, since it is the part of the phone we interact with the most. I bought my 7 Pro back in 2019 when it first came out, mainly for its 90Hz and Quad HD AMOLED display. Colors are vibrant and clear, and man, that 90Hz is a huge game changer. Now, hold on. We have phones with 120Hz, and yes, I know that. But this phone was ahead of its time when it was released in 2019. Having a big phone with a large screen means it's also better for watching content and playing games. Well, at least for me. You see that 90Hz difference, and even when you want to conserve battery and lower the refresh rate to 60Hz, it's seriously brutal. The one thing that might annoy some people is the slight curve on the 7 Pro. This is a very controversial topic, but some people don't mind it, but I've personally come across accidental touches quite a bit, and I would have rather preferred a flat panel over a curved one. If you don't like curved displays, then I would definitely recommend the OnePlus 8T, because that has a flat panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. As for screen resolution, the 7 Pro, like I said in the beginning, does have a Quad HD AMOLED display, which is super crisp. However, not everyone can tell by a glance the difference between Full HD and Quad HD. So I typically use my phone in Full HD anyway. Regardless, it is an AMOLED screen, which means colors are vibrant and the blacks truly stand out. Even when you compare the 7 Pro's display to phones that came out in 2020 or phones that will come out in 2021, it will not disappoint. Battery life on this guy is amazing, even in 2021 standards. Not only does it have a fairly large 4000 mAh battery, it also supports Warp Charge 30. Granted, it's not as fast as the newer Warp Charge 65, but hey, it gets the job done. That's the thing I love about most with the 7 Pro when it comes to battery. I used to wish the phone had wireless charging, but I've gotten used to it and I don't tend to look for it. I have practically learned to live without it. Warp Charge is what I look for, not just in my phone, but literally everything else. I love not having to charge my phone at night anymore, and I don't. All I do is I put it charged in the morning for about 30 minutes and I'm all set for the day. I typically go to sleep with about 20 to 15% since I am a heavy user, but once I wake up and charge it for about half an hour, I'm back at around 75 to 80%. I never need to worry about battery. If I ever do, worst case scenario, I just lower the screen resolution and refresh rate back to 60Hz, which I absolutely cannot stand, and I've never brought it down to 60Hz because of battery life. So if having good battery life and fast charging speeds is something you look for, then the OnePlus 7 Pro is a plus. Now, when this phone first came out, it was priced at $669 for the base model. And for what you're getting, it was actually really good. I bought my 7 Pro with a student discount, and with total after tax, I only paid around like $715 for the 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs storage model. I'm going to leave a bunch of different links of 7 Pro models down in the description below, but you can pretty much find one for around $350 to the $500 range, and for what you're getting, you can't go wrong. 8 or 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, a triple camera setup, the Snapdragon 855, which is still a powerful chipset, a beautiful display, clean and speedy software, fast charging, and awesome battery life. This is the MVP package even in 2021. Actually, some people might disagree with that, but that's okay. I mean, for me, it was the MVP package of 2019. And if you ask me, I'd still rock this in 2021 if I wasn't reviewing phones. But like I said, I'll leave everything in the description down below. Some might be renewed, some might be brand new. So just go take a look. And that about wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. The OnePlus 7 Pro is one of my favorite phones of all time. I've said this before, and if it was my job to review different devices, I said that too, I would continue to rock this as my main device until it pretty much died out on me. I've been very pleased with the OnePlus 7 Pro since its release in 2019, and for anybody who's looking for a phone in 2021 that has an amazing display with both stellar battery life and fast charging, as well as a reduced mid-range price with amazing software, then the OnePlus 7 Pro, in my opinion especially, is the perfect choice. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, because with the more interactions we get on this video, not only helps the video and the channel, but also pushes the video out to more viewers. And best of all, superman that subscribe button. Until next time, everybody, and until next video, this is MTG.